Welcome to the epitome of city living in the vibrant heart of downtown Nashville. Join us for an exclusive tour of a $5.9 million penthouse that sets the new standard for sophistication, comfort, and style. This is Broadwest Penthouse 3202. Located in Midtown Nashville, less than a mile from downtown, the Broadwest building stands as a symbol of architectural elegance. The Broadwest condos sit atop the Hilton Conrad Hotel, offering residents an elevated view and the ultimate in convenience and luxury. With lush plaza lawns, a concierge-staffed lobby, Hall's Chop House, Starbucks, a sparkling rooftop pool, fitness center with sauna, and world-class residence lounge, every amenity is easily within reach. Now let's check out this extraordinary penthouse. This penthouse is designed for those who won't compromise on space or comfort. With a sprawling 2,700 square feet of space, it boasts 3 bedrooms, a dedicated office, and 3.5 luxurious bathrooms. Step out onto one of 2 glass wall terraces and experience soaring views from 32 stories up. You'll be in awe of the downtown skyline right at your fingertips. The kitchen is a masterpiece, offering sleek metallic painted cabinetry, slate gray decked-on countertops, and an expansive island wrapped in thick gray-veined marble slab, offering extensive seating. The open kitchen layout seamlessly flows into the dining area, creating a perfect space for entertaining. The living room centers around a sleek linear fireplace, accentuating the modern design. Nearby, a built-in wet bar includes an integrated wine fridge. Each bedroom is spacious, offering floor-to-ceiling windows with city views, an ensuite bathroom, and a walk-in closet. The master bathroom features a striking black resin freestanding tub, walnut vanities, and mirrors that rise to showcase the dramatic ceiling height. The penthouse surprises with spaces not typically found in condominiums, including this handsome private office enclosed in iron and glass. It is also equipped with Control4 smart home technology for your convenience and security. On the 34th floor, Broadwest offers unparalleled amenities, including a spacious club room with breathtaking downtown views. It's an extension of your living space with soft seating, a fully appointed bar, and even a private dining room. Other amenities include a co-working area, a golf simulator, fitness center with steam room and sauna, and a rooftop terrace with cabanas, fire pits, gas barbecue grills, and of course, a pool. The secure lobby is staffed with 24-hour concierge service. We want to thank Danielle Helling of Parks for allowing us to feature her extraordinary listing. This penthouse is just one of 4 spectacular custom-designed penthouses currently under construction. To learn more about these unique spaces, contact us today. Thank you for joining us on the exclusive tour of the Broadwest Penthouse. We hope you've enjoyed the experience of true luxury living in the heart of the city. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tours just like this.